we have procedures, which is part of the lean. We have organization, which is part of lean. And we have trained personnel that are constantly keeping it on target and keeping us up to date. With any lean manufacturing, you're only as good as being consistent and keeping up with it. You can organize a print room and say that everything goes everywhere, but if no one's following it, it goes to pieces and your lean is out the door. So having so many people trained in lean and having a place for everything and having standard procedures keeps us tight, keeps us accurate, keeps our waste to a minimum. Again, I've been in this business forever. We're PCI because of lean manufacturing and all our procedures. We have less than 2% waste throughout the building. And it's funny because Canon says, their presses produce 2% waste. So that's how minimum our waste is in the building. When you're dealing with web presses going from one end to the other, you're going to have waste just in the startup. We used to have jet streams. Jet streams started off with 3% waste. So for us to say we are less than 2% waste, we're doing things right. And we couldn't have done it without lean manufacturing and heavy-duty procedures. Our procedures are written by our employees. So, I'm not going to tell a pressman how to do his job or what's the best way to do his job. I mean, we've definitely taken the pyramid, we turned it upside down. We lead from below. We get our raw material, what we need to be successful. We have them work with us with the procedures. Yeah, we'll put it together, but it is the input of the people that are doing it every day. And that's why it works. If I was managing from the top down and it isn't what they can do or what they want to do, it doesn't work. But when it comes from them and they wrote it, they believe it, it works. And that's what we found that works best here. Listening to what our employees want, what they need, and putting it together, documenting it, and making it a procedure. Now these procedures are living, breathing documents. So what works today, might have an error somewhere down the line, and we'll go, whoa, okay, so how did that happen? We'll do a root cause analysis, a corrective action, we'll investigate it completely, and we'll modify that procedure that we wrote. And that's what keeps us under that 2% waste. We are always trying to get better every day. It's not, we're done, we wrote everything, we're done for the day. No, we're always trying to get better, and we're always finding ways to fine tune it and perfect what we do.